Xfinity XFi pods are a mesh networking solution that eliminates Wi-Fi dead zones by extending coverage from your Xfinity gateway router. First, make sure you have an active Xfinity internet subscription and the latest Xfinity app. Then, plug in the first pod near your gateway. It will connect automatically via Ethernet or wirelessly. Open the Xfinity app, go to Devices, Xi Pods, and follow the prompts to add your pods. Scan the QR code for quick pairing. The app will guide you through the best placement using augmented reality, analyzing your home's layout. Place XFi pods in open areas 30 to 50 feet apart, avoiding walls and metal objects. The app uses AI for predictive placement, reducing setup time. Once connected, the system runs a speed test, suggesting repositioning if speeds drop below optimal levels. The Xfinity app lets you monitor speeds and pause devices. Use parental controls in the app to manage device access and content restrictions. Troubleshoot connectivity issues with built-in guidance. New 2025 features include voice commands for hands-free control and predictive maintenance alerts for firmware updates and pod health. The system scales for homes up to 6,000 square feet.